What's going on, guys? Today I want to do a quick product review, and this is the Moosoo robot vacuum cleaner. This is the MT-720 model, and I just picked this up on Amazon. It's a really cool robot vacuum cleaner that competes with those Roombas and stuff. However, it's actually much more affordable at roughly about $170 right now. They also have a promotion going on where you save $10, so I'll leave a link to that down below. Let's go ahead, unbox it, and check it out today, guys. So we're gonna just pull up on the packaging here. Right off the bat, we have just a picture of the Moosoo logo, and under that we have some instructions. Inside the box here, we have the robot vacuum cleaner. So I went ahead and charged my model already, and we have the charger home here, so it will sit and return to home when it is done vacuuming. This is the AC adapter, so that plugs into this charge port here. We also have the remote control right there, and then we have two bristle brushes as well as the air filter. So let's go ahead and put this together. So when you first get the device, we have an extra set of air filters. I'm just gonna set that aside. And basically where that would go is right underneath here. You open it up and your air filters sit right in here. That slides right back in. On the back side, we'll notice that it has a right and left indicator. And we just take those bristles and we push them into the corresponding letters, and we're almost ready to go, guys. Here is the charge port, and plug this into the wall. So let's go ahead and try this out, guys. All right, guys, so here is the robot and here is the remote control, and I'm going to show you how it functions here. If you press the power button, it goes on. You can pause it by pressing play.
Stop cleaning.
And we can also turn it around using the remote control button and tell it where to go specifically. So forward, backwards, left, forward. And that's when it detects something, it gives you a little beep. We can tell it to return home just by pressing this button.
Back to charge. Start charging.
So it's pretty intelligent, you guys. See, it returns back to home, and when we're ready, we just hit the play button one more time. Now, if we get into any areas where we notice there is a lot of trouble, we can hit the turbo button, and that kicks on a turbo vacuum. It does suck up a little bit more power. And then we can also do a spot clean. So that means it will circle around this spot, and because it detects a lot of dirt there, you can specifically tell it to circle around there. If you hit wall, it will go all around the perimeters. So you hear it just does edge cleaning. And then full go, it does a deep clean, it vacuums 2 times. So that is a quick look at the Moosoo vacuum cleaner, guys. This is a really awesome product. I just have it turn on every day and vacuum my place, and it's really neat and clean. So if you guys did find the video helpful, please leave me a big thumbs up, guys. Check out my channel for more tech videos. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.